What's going on, world? This is Brian back with a new video. This is an app that's going to pay you for watching TikTok videos. You know, those short little videos you can watch on your phone. You'll make some money for watching those videos.
But first,
they said I need an intro. Let's go.
So I'm inside the app, and let me just show you how it works. I already started the videos. I'll just continue. It don't matter which video pop up. If you watch it, you'll get paid. See the coins at the top? So I can scroll to the next video.
Homemade hand sanitizer with aloe vera, rose water and glycerin, and alcohol. So first we have to cut the aloe vera. Oh, I did it. Okay, trash. Okay, now we're gonna cut the sides off of the aloe vera, just like this. Perfect. Look how cool this looks.
All right, once you see the coins, you can go to the next video.
Pour it into here.
Hey, Bryony. Hop in that bin. We're gonna scare Kristen. Hey, Johnny, get inside that green bin, and when he opens it, scare the shit out of him. Do this. Hey, Liv, go get in that bin, and let's scare the shit out of Kristen. Get yourself in that green bin so you can scare the shit out of Kristen. Quick, he's coming! Quick, Johnny, now! Quick!
Damn. It's crazy. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's all the work you have to do. You do need a code. Once you download the app, I'm gonna give you the code in a second. So you come here, it tells you how the referral program works. You invite 5 friends, earn up to $110. All right, once you download this app, enter the code right there, HVJJU8Y, and I'm gonna demonstrate how to download this app on a different phone in just a second. But I wanted to go over the actual program and how you actually make the money. So you see here, earn up to $20 per friend. Every 5 friends is an extra $10 bonus, and there's no limit to how many friends you can invite. So they break the money down like this. First, you earn $6 once somebody downloads the app, enters your code, and starts watching videos. You earn an extra $2 if they use it for 2 days. All right. The next $12 will be earned over the next few days once they get up to 120,000 points. So basically, long as they keep using the app, you'll get the rest of the money. So, you know, just download the app, enter the code, and get your own code. Refer people. They have to enter your code, and you'll start making money. And you can withdraw through PayPal or gift cards. So I'm gonna pause it, and then I'm gonna show you how it works when you actually sign up. All right, so here I am downloading the app on my wife's phone, and you see there it gives the referral code. All right, click download Zen, enter your referral code on the rewards page, complete tasks, and get cash and points instantly. Invitation program can earn $110 or more, earn up to 10,000 points while engaging the content each day. All right, so we got the app downloaded. It's hard looking through a phone.
see where you enter the code at. Let's see. All right, let me register. 1 second. So I signed up. Let's see. So right here where it says enter referral code of your friend. And the referral code is HVJJU8Y. HVJJU8Y. So now I'm gonna go back to my account and see if I got credit for it or how long it takes. All right, so I'm back into my account, and if you see here, I entered the referral code on the other phone and it already gave me credit. It says here I have one friend who downloaded the app and entered the code, and it says remind friends to watch videos and get rewards. So remember, this says you earn $6 when your friend signs up and engages with the content. So I haven't started to watch videos on the other phone yet. So I'll do that. But I just wanted to show you this process to show you how easy it is. All you have to do is, if you're posting on social media, make sure you include your code and something that tells them to make sure they enter your code. When they download the app, it's going to show them your referral code as soon as they open up that link. It gives them the chance to copy that link so that they can enter it later. But some people, they'll just forget and they'll just start using the app. But if they don't enter your code, you won't get paid. Since this is giving away free money, you want to remember to let people know, hey, enter this code before you get started. All right, so get started. The link is in the description of the video, and enjoy your free money.
Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video about making money. All right, see you guys later.